Now we are going with now we will talk about the file handling. So how we can handle a file, right? What are the operations we will do on a file? So there are three types of operations that we will do. First thing is read, write, and executing the file. So we will do this type of functions here, right? So we can write, we can create, we can write, read, we can write anything on a file. So here we will use OS package here. So I want to demonstrate a simple example here. So how to create, how to write, how to read a file, and next thing is how to write a file, right? How to write a JSON data onto that file. So here, so let's go. Let's go into the program. So by creating, we have created one file. So we here we are taking two arguments, file error. So voice dot create of example dot txt. I am creating here example dot txt. So I am also finding another. If error is present, it will throw an error creating files, right? So next thing is defer file dot close. We have discussed about this defer keyword. Here defer means if I want to I will go with one simple example here. So if I want to yeah yeah is doing is doing one job and we arrive arrived. We arrived. And if A use if A if A use defer, it will it will execute at the last until we finish its execution. So this is the real meaning of defer. So the file will close when the create job is done. So until unless it doesn't close. So that is the main thing here. We will use defer keyword. Defer keyword. And next thing is creation is over. Creation is over. Next thing is write into the file. So here I am not taking any file. So I don't want any file, right? So I just want to return on the file. So I am using here file dot write string of hello world. So here is error not equal to nil, it will print that it will trigger errors. So it will return. So next thing is what I am writing here, write string hello world onto the for example.txt and next thing is read from file. So here content. So os dot read file of example.txt. So if error not equal to nil, fmd.println error reading file. So next thing is what is the file content? Actually, if we want the file content here, so we must we convert into string format. String format. Yeah, it is in the byte slash, right? It will be present in the byte slash to string, and we are string the English. So here, and next thing is appending to the file. Data manipulation of file. Data manipulations. If error os.file, os.append, os wrongly 0600644. Here I will explain what are the things, what it represents. Actually, 0 OS wrongly appending, right? What create it? 0 right create wrongly append RWR run. Here, these are the main functions here. These are the main parameters. So wrongly. If create not exist. O is dot create, right? Create if not exist. Wrongly means write only. O's appending here. RDWR means read and write. Trunk means clear whole file. And the next thing is here we will grant the permissions on a file. So there are many things here. So for the config files, we will provide 6000 permission. So 600 permission is so secure. So next thing is logs where users will come in and read the files, right? So they can't able to rewrite. It, right? Unchangeable. It is unchangeable, right? Immutable are things. Immutable. So we here readable format. 644 is a readable format and 755 scripts. It represents scripts which are to be executable. So here we will pass 755. 755. So next thing is triple six, which everyone can edit that file. So we will put a triple six format here. So private data is permission is 600. So owners only access the private data. So here, so what are the things here? OS dot append be append or wrongly open. If I am opening any file, so it will trigger some error, right? So next thing is 644 here. OS 644 is the file permissions, which means read and write permissions for the permission from the owner, right? Here, 644. What 644 reads? It's a logs. It is a readable format. So here, see, if error not equal to nil, it will throw error. And next, until unless if in the read thing is happen, and next it will be close, right? So next I am reading here appending one line. This is an appending line. I am appending one string, right? Yeah, this is an append line. I am printing here. I am writing. And next thing is updating the content. So how the update will be append? Updating content. It is the updated file content. So how the updated one is os.read file of example.txt. Then I can view visit the file and view the content. So fmd.println updated file content. And next thing is the converted. We will convert white slice to string and print. And next thing is delete. In order to delete, we will use the command os.remove example.txt here. So if the error is present, like removing of the any file is not able to do, here we will print the error format. So if error is not equal to nil, so why it is not happen, so it will throw some error, right? So next thing is deleted is successfully. I have discussed about the file, right? And here I will create and I've taken a simple example for creating a JSON file, JSON structure format. I am appending that data onto a one file. So here I am creating one the type person struct and with right I'm creating an JSON object with the variables key value fetch. And next thing is I'm putting the data person the alias age.t and JSON. I am what we will do, we will convert the structure format into JSON format, right? So what we will do is we will marshal the data. And next thing is we are writing the person JSON data. So on which one person dot JSON person dot JSON on person dot JSON 0644 means it is a readable writable format by the permission is given granted by the owner. So if error not equal to nil, error writing if the error is present. So it will throw error writing JSON to file and it will return. So if the data is written successfully, it will print fmd.println JSON return the data to a person JSON dot successfully. So here file handling open integrated. So show files go run ls go run I am go run file handling dot go. Yeah. See here I go run file.go file content hello world, hello world, updated file content, hello world. Error. Deleting file remove example.txt. The process cannot access the file because it is being used by the another process. So see here, what are the things? Uh, example dot txt. Hello world. This is an appended file. So here we are created. And next thing is JSON dot JSON dot right file handling dot yeah, we will create here. Let's just create one function here. JSON of JSON of here JSON of and we will put this onto the point JSON of JSON of function. So let's see. Yeah, let's make it based on expected 18 dots. Scheduling, formation, index.